Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to fix WhatsApp images not downloading on your Android device. There are several reasons why this issue might occur, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to fix it. If you're having trouble downloading images on WhatsApp, the first thing to check is your phone's storage. If there's not enough space, WhatsApp won't be able to store the image, and you won't be able to download it. So make sure you have enough storage on your phone. Next, check your internet connection. If you have a weak or unstable internet connection, WhatsApp might not be able to download the image. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. If you have enough storage and a good internet connection, the next step is to check if your version of WhatsApp is up to date. You can do this by going to the Play Store and searching for WhatsApp. If there's an update available, tap on the Update button to update WhatsApp. If you've followed all of the above steps and you're still not able to download media files on WhatsApp, go to your phone's settings and select Applications. Search for WhatsApp and clear its data. Then, go to the app's permissions and make sure you enable them all. This should fix the issue, and you should now be able to download the image. If you've tried all of the above steps and you're still not able to download the image, it's possible that the file sent to you is corrupted or unreadable. In this case, ask the person or account who sent the image to resend it. In conclusion, fixing WhatsApp images not downloading on your Android device is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily fix the issue and download images on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.